Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. I hope you're having a great day, a great night, or a great afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hopefully, you guys are having a nice day. Make sure you're leaving those thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button all the way up so you don't miss the deals. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Walgreens early activation. So stay tuned for all the deals. I'm going to be going over every possibility that I could come up with. If you come up with a different scenario or different possibilities, let us know in the comments. Sharing is caring. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so they don't miss out on the deals. And subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment down below so I can say hi to you. All right, so let me go ahead and get started with the deals this week. But first, I'll go over what early activation is very quickly. I'll have all the information linked in the comment section down below, and um, in the first comment, pin in the first comment, and also in the description box below. So don't forget to leave those thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. If you want to continue getting early activation videos, I only ask for one thing is for you to leave those thumbs up. We need to get to over 1,000 thumbs up. So everybody please leave those thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below so I can say hi to you. Again, you guys know the drill. We're going to be following that, and we're going to be I'm going to be helping you out, and you're going to be helping me out as well. Don't forget to watch our other videos that we have on this channel. We also bring you the savings challenge with my sister, so please go support all those videos. I'll be linking those at the end of this one. So go and support. I greatly appreciate your support and your support for her videos as well. Thank you for helping us out, and thank you for helping my family out and her family out as well by watching the videos and watching those commercials. All right, let me go ahead and get started. What is early activation? So at easycouponing.info, I have all the details there. We're going to be going to easycouponing.info, and it's the first post, Walgreens early activation there. You're going to click read more, and you'll be able to see everything there in detail. Yes, I worked very hard on this for you. So please go and give it a like, go and give it a share, go and leave me a comment there as well. Easycouponing.info. It'll be linked in the description box. And the first comment. These deals have worked before. Every week changes what glitches with this early activation at Walgreens. Let's try and see what works this week for early activation. Early activation starts approximately 9:30 Saturday at 9:30 p.m. Central Time. That's Houston time. Or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is New York time, and 7:30 p.m. in California. Early activation lasts an hour and a half. Try it online to see if it's going to work. Remember, nothing is guaranteed to work, and we won't know until we try online. So you need to try online, and all of these deals we're going to be doing them online. So do not forget to do these deals online for pickup in store the very next day. If you keep scrolling down there, the video will be linked here. As soon as it goes live, which is this one that you're watching, it's linked there. So if you click there, you're going to be able to see the video in detail. So go visit easycouponing.info, where I have all the details about what early activation is. And let me go ahead and start with the deals. Who's ready for those deals? Leave those thumbs up if you're ready. I don't see those thumbs up going up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. All right, let me get started. You guys know I like to have fun here. So let me go ahead and present the deals for this week. These deals are possibilities for Walgreens early activation starting February 11th for February 11th, 2023. And remember how it works. The first deal I want to go over is on these Dove Men Plus Care, or the white bottle Dove body washes. These are buy two, get $4 back in Walgreens cash rewards this week. And next week's deal is going to be buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. What we're going to be doing here is picking up two of them, whichever ones you want, at $7 each. You're going to be paying $14. We do have a $3 off digital coupon on two. Select that digital coupon in your Walgreens app or Walgreens.com account. You're going to be paying $11 out of pocket, $11 out of pocket, making your total $11 out of pocket. Like I said, make sure you're paying out of pocket, meaning credit card, debit card. Do not pay with points here. You could pay with points if you want. You could roll $10 in points, but I would suggest not to, just in case. You may roll $10 in points. You'll be paying $1 out of pocket. Or if you don't roll anything, you'll be getting $8 back with early activation if it does go through and it works, because you're getting $4 for the deal that ends Saturday night and $4 for the deal that starts Sunday morning, making each of your Dove products $1.50 each. If you're rolling the money from prior weeks or Walgreens cash into this transaction, you'll be paying $0 rolling plus a $5 moneymaker. Not a bad deal, right? Make sure you're leaving those thumbs up. And let me continue with slide number two, or deal number two. For deal number two, we're going to be picking up the Claro. These are the Claro root touch up. You can select whichever ones you want. A lot of them qualify. There's these, and there's various other ones that do qualify. I selected the cheaper ones. So what I'm doing here is I'm selecting the least cost or the lowest cost item. So these are $6.99 this week. We're going to be buying two and getting $4 Walgreens cash rewards when we buy two on the purchase of two for the deal that ends Saturday night. And the deal that starts Sunday morning says the same thing: buy two, get $4 back in Walgreens cash rewards. If Walgreens early activation goes through, we're going to be getting back $8 total. Okay, so here's the breakdown. You're going to be picking up two of the root touch up at $6.99. That's $13.98 for two. There's a $6 off coupon on two, bringing your total down to $7.98 out of pocket. You may pay with points, but I suggest you pay out of pocket just in case. You'll pay $7.98 out of pocket with a credit card or debit card for Walgreens pickup the following day. You'll get back $8 in Walgreens early activation money if it works. Walgreens cash rewards, making your purchase $0 plus a 2-cent moneymaker. I call that a 2-cent moneymaker deal. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. The next deal is on the Skintimate shaving products. You may select whichever ones you want, but I found that these are the cheapest ones at $6.99. The deal that ends Saturday night states spend 20, get $5 back in Walgreens cash rewards. The deal for Sunday states spend 20, get $5 back in Walgreens cash rewards. Okay. We're going to be picking up three of these Skintimate, the ones pictured here, at $6.99. That'll bring your total to $20.97. We do have a digital coupon for $4 off in the Walgreens app and on the Walgreens.com website. Log in with your account in order for you to get that coupon. Your total will come down to $16.97 out of pocket. For this one, you cannot pay with points or Walgreens cash. Don't forget, do not pay with Walgreens cash because the deal does state spend 20. Okay, you're going to be getting back $10 back in Walgreens cash with early activation if it does go through, making your total out of pocket after Walgreens cash $6.97 for three razors. Or I made a typo there. It shouldn't be $3.49. Give me 1 second. It's late at night. You guys know I work more than 50 hours a week, and I try to bring you these videos. So I'll rectify it here verbally. It's $2.32. $2.32 each for the razors, making this an awesome, awesome deal. Don't forget to leave those thumbs up and I'll go ahead and update that shortly. Not in this video, obviously, because it's already recorded. But for next future videos, the math will be done correctly and it'll be done proper. Sorry about that. It's late at night and I'm recording this video very late. The next deal or the next early activation possibility will be on the following: Gain, Downy, or Tide Pods will be on sale $5.49 on Sunday, and they are $5.49 for the deal that ends Saturday. This week, when we buy three, we're getting a $5 Walgreens cash rewards. The deal that starts Sunday stays the same. Buy three, get $5 Walgreens cash rewards. Now, they'll be $5.49 each. So I'm picking up three of the Downies. I'm selecting three of similar items because of the fact that if we mix and match, sometimes the computer system or the register system goes crazy and it doesn't recognize the deal. So I like to buy the same item. So I'm going to be picking up three Downies at $5.49. That'll be $16.47 for three. I have $1 off coupon that I'll be using here, bringing my total down out of pocket to $15.47. I could roll. I could roll here $10 if I wanted to, but I would suggest don't. I'm not saying it's not going to work, but I'm just saying sometimes it messes up the system. So you might want to pay out of pocket $15.47. You'll get back $10 if Walgreens early activation is working in Walgreens cash rewards, making your total $5.47 or $1.82 each for each of those Downy products, Game products, or Tide products, depending on which ones you want to select or purchase this week. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, the next deal is on Nivea Shea Nourish body lotions. We're going to be picking up the 16.9 fluid ounce bottles. These are the medium to large size, not the largest, but not the smallest either. They are $8.49 for a total of $25.47. The deal that ends Saturday night states spend 20, get $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards. The deal that starts Sunday states spend 20, get $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards. We're going to be paying $25.47 out of pocket. Pay out of pocket because the deal says spend, so we need to pay out of pocket. We're going to be getting three different things here, three different cash rewards possibilities. $10 for the Saturday deal that ends Saturday night, $10 for the deal that starts Sunday morning, and we do have a booster, beauty booster, spend 25, get 7. So a total of $27 in Walgreens cash rewards will be coming back to us if everything goes through. You'll pay $0 out of pocket with all of those boosters or all of those cash rewards coming back to you. And it'll make it $0 out of $0 plus $1.53 money maker. Not a bad deal on three Nivea lotions. All right, let's move on. And like I said, you can select whichever Nivea product you need or whichever Nivea product you like. I'm selecting these because these were the cheapest ones that I found at $8.49. So you select whichever ones you want and whichever ones you need for yourself. Last but not least is this deal here on the Crest 3D white strips. Crest 3D white strips are on sale this week for $29.99. These are the 20 count each. Okay. $29.99. That'll be $59.98 for two. We are going to be paying out of pocket because the deal states spend 50, get $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards. That's the deal that ends Saturday night. And the deal that starts Sunday morning states the same. Spend 50, get $10 Walgreens cash rewards. That'll be $59.98 out of pocket. We're going to be getting back $10 for Saturday, $10 for Sunday. If early activation goes through, that'll be $20. Plus, this does qualify for the beauty booster. So if you're spending 25, again, I messed up there. I'm sorry. It's very late at night. Spend 25, get 7. Beauty Booster, clip that one before you make your purchase. You'll be making $27 back on this purchase for a total of $32.98 for two products or two boxes, or $16.49 each. The deal that I'm very excited about, that I'm hoping early activation works on, is on the laundry products. You guys know that I love a laundry deal, and if we can get a really, really good deal on laundry, hopefully it goes through, and we'll be each picking up our bottles of Downy for $1.82 each with early activation. Don't forget to subscribe, leave those thumbs up or your like, and comment down below so I can say hi to you. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Don't forget to go watch one of these videos at the end, or click on the playlist and watch the savings challenge with my sister. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Share the video. Remember, sharing is caring, and you're helping me out by sharing the video. So please do share. Subscribe, hit the bell button all the way up. You guys know everything that you need to do. You guys are watching YouTube videos for a reason, because you want to learn how to save money, and you're watching our channel because you want to do so. So subscribe and hit the bell button all the way up so you don't miss the deals. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget that we have our savings challenge coming up today, Saving Saturday. Don't miss it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, leave those thumbs up. Remember, 1,000 thumbs up, 1,000, 1000 thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.